I've been funded on multiple occasions previously, and I will once again try to get funded. The catch, I'll be doing this while trading one of the worst market conditions out there. For this challenge, I'll be trading on my $50,000 Neoma account, which is currently in a 3% drawdown. Now, the market opens in a few hours, which means this could be the start to a successful or a disastrous trading week. We'll see how the week goes. I just got back from the gym and I got on my chart to see if my limit order has been activated, and price actually came really close right here and reversed all the way. But yeah, I was able to get in on that trade right here. As you can see, price actually came down, reacted off this fair value gap, manipulated structure right here, and still reacted off of this fair value gap. Here we can see this tiny wick that grabbed this low, and then we saw the push, the displacement to the upside, which actually broke structure on this level. Now I got in on a late entry. My initial entry should have been here, but as it said, as long as it's still within the region, you can always still get in. So I just got in right here with my stop loss under this low, and I'm basically targeting this high, basically my limit order. I'm risking 1%, which means I'm risking $500, and then on the sell limit, I'm risking 1.5%. So let's see how it plays out. If I'm able to hit TP, then I should be up $8,000 in profit while doing this challenge. But yeah, I'll update you guys whatever happens. So I was not able to give an update on what really went on with the trades I took yesterday, and the reason was the phone I used in shooting videos was actually low. All of my devices were low in general. But at the end of the day, every single one of those trades actually hit stop loss. Now, one thing I actually really noticed was majority of my trades ran all the way to 1.5 hour, and my TP is always at 2 hour. So majority of them ran up to 1.5 hour and reversed all the way against me. Now our account is currently sitting at 46,857, which means we took a total loss of about 8,100 $8,100 overall since the beginning of this challenge. Now we have $857 before we completely blow the challenge, and honestly, it is actually really painful, and it comes with market like this, so it is what it is. I'm currently eyeing a buy setup on gold. Hopefully it activates me. I already placed my limit order, and let me just show you guys what is currently going on my screen right now. Basically, we can see what market actually did so far, and just to give you guys a quick recap of where I got in on my trade. I got in on gold trade right here. Price ran all the way up to this point. My TP was just at $3,000, which means price was so close to hitting my TP just for it to reverse against me and stop me out. And on this particular trade, I was risking $750, which is 1.5%. So my risk basically varies between 1 to 2% or in between. So here you can basically see what the market is basically doing. And you can see liquidity has been grabbed. Liquidity has also been grabbed. Price reacted off of a level right here. We have this fair value gap right here, which price is reacting off of. And um, but there's a possibility that we could actually push all the way back into this high. Now, this push from this other block right here wasn't strong enough to actually break this low. So which means price could be returning all the way back to this high. And it's something I'm actually watching out for, to be very honest. Now, I have a limit order right here. I have a limit order, a buy limit order right here. And I want to just see what that's if there's any possibility of the market returning into this level. At the same time, I'm also going to be adjusting the limit order depending on the way that's if this candle closes right here, we have this new fair value gap. So I'll adjust my limit order all the way to this point, and then I will basically restructure my whole trade limit and all. But so far, this is what I currently have, and yeah, it is what it is. I'm gonna see. Hopefully, this plays out well. If this doesn't play out well, then we fail the challenge, and yeah, it's basically proved to us that basically this is one of the worst market conditions right now. All right, guys. So basically, as you can see, we're currently on the chart, and you can see that my TP is really close to getting it. I'm currently up about $2,100. I'm really not gonna lie. This is actually a video I don't think I would have been doing. That's like an update video about my trade running in profit. At the same time, a big shout out to Neoma. Like literally, I'm gonna post it somewhere up here how close my stop loss came. Usually on trade locker I would have gotten taken out, usually on trade locker, but this time around like it came really close. And yeah, they offer really good spreads, and at least their slippage is not terrible and all. At the same time, I'm going to be giving out a free Neoma account. All you need to do is like this video, use my link in the
below to register for a Neoma account, and you will be picked. That's I'll pick three winners for possible giveaway and all that. So yeah, all you just need to do, like this video, create an account using my referral link in the description below. That's a Neoma account using my referral link in the description below. At the same time, once you have done all of that, comment hashtag done in the comment section, and you automatically entered into it. And I'll pick winners at, probably, I don't know, but I'm gonna pick winners. But yeah, let's just see how hopefully this trade hits TP while on this call and all that. But yeah, I'm really happy about it. The fact that price really this close. I literally was not expecting it. I literally was not expecting it. One thing on the other hand was when price came all the way into, when I got back after price came into here, I saw price around there. I got in on an additional entry, which was a 0.3 lot. I got in with 0.3 lot, which is actually a good thing, honestly. But yeah, hopefully this does not reverse against us. Yeah, hopefully it plays out well. I'm basically targeting the overall high in this scenario. And yeah, let's just see how it plays out, honestly. All right, guys. So I just got back. I went to get something to eat, and I was actually doing busy with something else, and I came back to check the chart. Guys, bad news. Price has basically reversed back to break even. Now, I don't set my stop loss at break even, or I don't break even or any kind of thing. But yeah, price currently sitting at break even, which means price is really close to our stop loss. Now, price was 20 pips away from our TP. That's price ran basically about 180 or 160 pips, and our TP was about 180 pips. Price ran that much, and at the peak of it, I think we were up 2,000 or $2,100. The target was almost close to the range of $3,000, but this is where it is. These trades are make it or break it trade. So if this trade it stop loss, then this challenge comes to an end. And yeah, it's really painful. I'm really not gonna lie, because I've actually experienced this over and over and over again. This is literally the third time this is happening during this challenge. Yesterday, I had two trades that missed my TP slightly, and here is another one. If all of these trades actually had gone well, we'll probably be sitting in some nice profit and all that. But this is where it is. I'm going to update you guys tomorrow morning, probably when I get back from the gym. If on what happened, I think by that time the trade should have probably stop loss or ETP, whatever is the case. But yeah, I'll update you guys tomorrow morning on what's how the trade later played out. So yeah, until tomorrow, guys. So my trade ended up hitting stop loss, and it's actually really painful because I've basically failed the challenge in so doing. But at the end of the day, I know a lot of you will come and tell me about my strategy being bad, being the reason why I actually failed the challenge. But just to clarify something, this strategy was still the same thing that helped me achieve $5,000 in the month of December, $4,000 in the month of February, and has helped me achieve profitability overall. Now I know I also had a little some mistakes which needed to correct, which among uh um overextending my target and all of that. But at the end of the day, I still feel in trading we learn every single day. Now I'm still gonna be going back test as I usually do and see what I could have done better while doing all of this. But it is what it is, it happens. I'm still gonna be doing a follow-up challenge to let you guys see if I actually end up passing another account or I ended up failing the second account. But at the same time, I'm also going to give me a Neoma account, three Neoma accounts. So all you just need to do, as I said earlier on, use my link in the shop below to register for a Neoma account. Once you've done that, drop a like on this video. You must be subscribed as usual, and then comment hashtag done. I'll randomly pick some winners. And without further ado, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.